이상해요. 이상해요. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 이상해요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 309. 이상해요. Again, it's 이상해요. This is pronounced as a four-syllable word. The first syllable is I, followed by sang, third syllable is he, and fourth syllable is yo. 이상해요. What is the meaning of the word 이상해요? This is used to describe something as strange or weird. Again, 이상해요 is used to describe something as strange or weird. Just remember that 이상해요 is considered a descriptive word. How do you write 이상해요 in Hangul? It is composed of four syllables. For the first syllable I, we need to draw first a no sound iyang followed by an I character. For the fourth syllable sang, we need to draw first a siyot character followed by an a character followed by an iyang character. For the third syllable he, we need to draw first a hiyot character followed by an e character. And then for the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound iyang followed by the yo character itself. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these four syllables to write 이상해요 in Hangul. So here are just some more details about 이상해요. It actually came from the word 이상하다, which is considered a descriptive verb or an adjective. So 이상하다 means to be strange, and the present status of being strange is 이상해요. So this could be considered as the present tense form of 이상하다. So 이상하다 is to be strange and 이상해요 means strange. And with that, you've just learned 이상해요. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 299 to 308. But don't forget our word for today, word number 309, 이상해요, which means strange. The first word for our review is word number 308. It's 재미있어요, which means interesting. Next word is 똑똑하다, which means to be smart. Next is 싫어해, which means I hate it. Next word is 달콤한, which means sweet. Next word is 편의점, which means convenience store. Next word is 싫어하다, which means to hate. Next word is 울지 마요, which means don't cry. And then next word is 맛있어요, which means delicious. Next word for our review is 색, which means color. And then the last word for our review is word number 299. It's 딸기, which means strawberry. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.